पाऊस घडोघडी, पाऊस घडोघडी, आदो मिरग पाणी करी, मिरग पाणी करी, मिरग पाणी करी. पाऊस घडोघडी, पाऊस घडोघडी, पाऊस घडोघडी.
I consider myself as very fortunate to be born in the land where I can enjoy different seasons. Rainy season is one of the most favorite season for me because during this season the Western Ghat part of my area receives heavy rainfall. In Goa, for example, we received almost 300 centimeters of average rainfall, and it is the rain that is responsible for developing agriculture and horticulture. As far as the groundwater recharge is concerned, because of the monsoonal rain, most of the groundwater get recharges, and that is why one can enjoy the flowing spring streams and make our life happy and cheerful. Rain is responsible for making area green. If you visit any plateau during the rainy season, the lateritic plateau turn into green with a varied color of flowers. These flowers are very important, though they look very meagre. We cannot see them properly, but these are the flowers which provide sweet nectar to number of the insects. Beautiful flying jewel, butterfly, thrive on these flowers. There are some trees that bears flowers, and these flowers are responsible for attracting number of creatures. The largest butterflies of Indian subcontinent, the southern birdwing, mostly flies where they get the nectar in the flower, and their life, though is a very meagre lifespan, they enjoy happiness in the company of different good flowers. The life is very enjoyable for wild animals. Most of the creatures like the earthworm or the Sicilian one can experience during the rainy season. The earthworm is considered as the friend of the farmer because during the rainy season the earthworm comes out and they are responsible for making the soil fertile. Sicilian looks very insignificant creature, but they are important because they are playing the role in maintaining ecological balance. One can see variety of the frogs croaking, and in Goa we have well-known poet Manohar Sardesai who composed beautiful poem in describing frog. हरवताल बेबो शेता मेरे रूबो हावेन मळे बेब्या बेब्या खंय तुझं गाव उडकी मारून बेब्यान मळे डराव डराव. So frogs are very important amphibian, and if you visit any forested area you will see Malabar gliding frog. Malabar gliding frogs are very endemic to the Western Ghat area. The places where I live is the part of the Western Ghat. The Mahadev Wildlife Sanctuary is there, and Mahadev Wildlife Sanctuary one can see the Malabar gliding frog during these days. They make the foam type of the nest and lays the eggs, and when water is there down, the eggs after hatching falls round and stateful emerges. So this is wonder of the nature one can experience in the rainy season. Not only wildflowers, but you can see number of flowers flowering during the season of rain. And rain is responsible for transforming the Western Ghat part area, because most of the mountain where you can see the boulders are standing, from there the water tumble down and one can see the beauty of the nature, waterfalls. In Sattari, we have number of waterfalls. Ladkeso Wazar, or what you call the Karavtiso Wazar, or the different types of the waterfalls which are there in my area. If you want to enjoy the beauty of this waterfall, the best season is the rainy season. If you visit the Surla village in Sattari Taluka, on the plateau of the Paikas of Sodo, you can see the beautifully tumbling down Ladkesu Wazar. Ladkesu Wazar offer you enchanting sight, because the river Kalsa that originates in Kankumbi flows down and the Surla river mingle water into it, and one can see Baradanasu Wazar. The Baradanasu Wazar that flows through the Madai Wildlife Sanctuary is remembering us about the beauty of the nature. And then this river, when jump down, one can see Ladkesu Wazar. Near to Kodar, there is another waterfall on the same river called Zalodiso Wazar. So these waterfalls are indeed the beauty and wonder of the nature one can see during the rainy season. And rainy season is the most favorite season for the poet and poetess. It is the most favorite season for the folklorist. It is the season wherein the folklorists sit down and recite the beautiful song in honor of the rain god. The rain god is the Indra. He is called as Rajendra, the Lord of the rain. And that is why in India, rain is worshipped as a god, because monsoon is responsible for giving us food, fodder, and so many things. So this is life-sustaining, life-giving rain. And that is why we have to welcome rain, though rain is responsible for causing floods, and floods are destroying your agriculture, responsible for creating problem for thousands of people. But finally, if we fail to store water properly during the rainy season, we may face the condition wherein during the winter and summer we will have to struggle for the water. And that is why we have to protect every drop of the rain that falls, and that will transform our life.
पाऊस घडोघडी, पाऊस घडोघडी, पाऊस घडोघडी.